Down, up, down, up. Yes, I did it.
What does that say?
Me.
That is so good. Will, that is excellent. Very good.
But it doesn't have a dot on it.
That's okay. It's hard to draw with chalk. Well, do you know what those letters are?
W-I-L-L.
That's excellent. You can write
Daddy, can I try that?
and read, Will.
Can I try that?
Sure. So point it at me. Also point it at me. Look into it. Hey, Will. How did you learn to write your name so good?
I did.
Where did you learn to do that?
I don't know.